we have drifted far, leaving behind the warmth of our sun and the familiar glow of the Milky Way. Ahead of us lies only a cold, silent void. We are entering a realm where space and time begin to lose their meaning. Look ahead. That swirling ring of golden fire is the accretion disk. It surrounds a cosmic monster, a supermassive black hole. This is the final frontier. A place where gravity becomes so absolute that even light itself cannot escape. As we approach the event horizon, time begins to stretch and slow down. The starlight around us bends and distorts into haunting shapes. We are entering the point of no return. This darkness is not just silent. It is the end of everything we have ever known. What lies at its core? Science calls it the Singularity, a point of infinite density where the very laws of physics crumble. Is this the end of all things? Or perhaps a new beginning in another dimension? Here we are but tiny dust motes before the grand mystery of the universe.